Aarav, wake up now. It's already 7:30, and you are getting really late for school. Your bus will arrive in just 20 minutes.
Mom, I don't think I can go to school today. I'm not feeling well at all. My stomach is hurting really badly.
Again with the stomach ache? What's going on this time? Aarav, this is the third Monday you're saying this.
It's a strong pain, Mama. I don't think I can stand up properly. I need to stay home and lie down.
That's interesting, because I clearly remember you were dancing around the living room last night while watching your superhero cartoon.
That was last night. Mom, everything was fine then. But now, as I'm waking up, the pain is starting and it's really bad.
Can you tell me exactly what kind of pain it is? Is it a sharp pain, or does it come and go slowly?
It's hard to explain. It's not just one place. The whole stomach is hurting. I think it's serious.
Let me remind you, today is your science exhibition at school, isn't it? You've been working on your volcano project for 2 weeks.
Yes, it is today. But I really think I'm too sick to go now. What if I faint or something?
Aarav, are you being honest with me? Or are you just making excuses to avoid school today?
No, Mama. I swear I feel sick. I'm not making it up. My stomach really hurts.
Your forehead is cool, your face looks normal, and you don't seem tired at all. Aarav, I know you too well. You're just trying to skip school.
No, seriously. What if I have a virus? I might give it to everyone else in class.
Everyone feels like that. But skipping school won't help. You've been practicing your project, haven't you?
Okay, maybe I'm a little scared. What if my volcano model doesn't work properly? What if the other students laugh at me?
You're doing your best, and that's what really matters. I'm proud of you just for trying and learning, even if something doesn't go perfectly. You can't just run away from challenges.
Yes, I've checked everything. The wires are connected, and the baking soda is ready. It worked fine last night. But I'm still scared.
Of course not. I'll be proud because you tried your best and faced your fear. Now come on, get up, brush your teeth, and eat your breakfast. Your uniform is on the chair, and your bag is packed.
Really? Mama? You won't be mad if something goes wrong in front of everyone. Okay, Mama. I'm going to school. But only because you believe in me and make me feel brave.
And also because your stomach pain suddenly disappeared like magic.
Oops. Yeah. I guess it feels much better now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English learning.